At Full Sail University, creativity and technology aren't just connected, they are inseparable. We're a university built for the entertainment, media, and technology industries. And Apple is at the center of how our students learn to make things that matter.
The first time I walked into a lab at Full Sail and saw a sea of Apple computers and how inspired I was and how excited I was to learn on them. And then all of a sudden, flash forward, I am doing a spot with my favorite company on the entire planet. I'm so honored that I've worked with Apple on many different spots throughout my career. Apple is a brand that really believes in artists like me.
Quickly, we determined that Apple was the tool for creators. The computer, it's their pencil, it's their paintbrush. Today, I think we've shipped over 170,000 units to our students.
One of the greatest pleasures that I have had is kind of watching the evolution of the Apple hardware and its software, and the challenge that has presented us to keep pace and do so in a way that we can be proud of. It's a beautiful challenge to have, but it's something that really is the lifeblood of how we do business with Apple.
As technology evolves, so does our curriculum. We've expanded into new forms of storytelling and interaction, including immersive and spatial experiences. Our faculty design curriculum that reflects real-world workflows, empowering students to think critically, collaborate effectively, and create with purpose.
That work now includes immersive video production for Apple Vision Pro, created with the Blackmagic Ursa Cine immersive camera and mixed using Apple spatial audio tools. 52 Apple Vision Pro headsets are currently in use across our labs. Through this evolving pipeline, students are gaining early exposure to new production methods and helping Full Sail build new creative and industry partnerships in spatial storytelling.
Here in the Spatial Computing Lab, I'm working on my capstone project that's geared towards medical tech. To have access to Apple Vision Pro headsets is really amazing. And to program on it too, wow.
So here at Full Sail, we're so grateful to have Apple products available for our disabled students so that they can come in from day one and be able to use that assistive technology to be successful in their classes. With tools like spoken content, color filters, and live captions built directly into Apple devices, students can personalize how they access course content from day one.
At Full Sail University, Apple technology empowers us to inspire, imagine, and create meaningful impact for our industries, for our students, and for our graduates. We are so excited about a future continuing to be driven and fueled by Apple technology.